Welcome students. This is CIS 136, Integrated Design or Adobe InDesign. I'm going to review just some basic JetNet course structure, workflow types of tasks so that you're comfortable within the setting. Basically, up at the top, you will notice that I have the syllabus, and that's the first and foremost important thing to read, download, and read that. Next, I have some quick command keys, hotkeys for your keyboard, and then also how to save your file down. When I say save down, save to a lower version, just in case someone else is on a lower version of the software. It's something that usually happens automatically now when we go to pre-flight our documents, but just in case. And then, of course, we have a forum, an icebreaker. That's something I want you all to take part in, and I've posted a thread there so far. Let's see, I've got to sign in this morning. Oops. There we go. There's my thread. A bit about me. I just want us to create a community in here, and so talk about where you live. I mean, give whatever information you feel like you want to. You don't have to give too much, whatever you prefer. Just kind of so that we can get to know each other in the classroom. Next, each week, you will have a module. There are 7 modules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 weeks in the course. It is a condensed course, so it is a lot of work per week. Exercises, generating ideas for your first project, and reviewing resources, using files to complete the exercises. So the instructions are up here, detailed instructions. And this first unit, we're gonna understand how to work in the workspace of InDesign. We're gonna understand how to work with text. And then, of course, you're gonna download these files, and then you're going to submit them to the exercises. The exercises may not look exactly like what you see in the resources. That's okay. I want you to work through it. Think of it like a tutorial. You complete the exercise. I look at your files to make sure that you've gathered the overarching concept and you obtain the credit for it. The projects are where I really assess your overall understanding of what we worked on in the exercises. These tasks build upon each other, so it's really important that you are regularly participating. Assignments are all due Sunday midnight. So for example, if this was revealed today, which it is, that you have through the following Sunday to complete, and then the next module will be revealed. I'm working on trying to get more than one module completed at a time, but I've been rewriting these courses, so bear with me. So next week's module will be revealed hopefully by Saturday or Sunday, and then you have the whole following next week to work on the items in that module right there. Okay. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I am required by law, Michigan state law, to report, and JetNet holds on to the records, so I'm required to report the participation and whether or not students are contributing, and it's not just logging on. So make sure that you are doing so, otherwise you will be dropped from the class. I really look forward to working with all of you. We do some great work in this class. We do a full page ad, a booklet, and a calendar. And there's a lot of really interesting things that you learn. We do some interactive documents, some animation, exciting stuff. So I look forward to working with each of you throughout the term. Best of luck, and contact me with any questions.